Good morning, class. Welcome to today's lecture. And today, according to your timetable, we have English literature. In English literature, we have done the explanation of chapter 1 only. Chapter 1A, that is Dream, Dream, Dream. This explanation we have only done. The entire explanation of the chapter we have done. And in the last class of English literature, I told you to find the answers of the exercises. Okay. So we'll be discussing the exercises today. Okay, so come to page number 15. Here section quest bus, section A means question A. This will be doing all the 5 questions in copy, so write in copy here. Okay, now question B, think and write, complete the sentences to show Dr. Kalam's thoughts. These all have been done. Okay, and I'll be sharing you the PDF of this. Okay, now come to the next page number 16. Question 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll be doing all these 4 questions in copy. Now watchword. Question number 1, you have to match the following. This all I have done. This you have to do in your book only. Okay, words with similar meanings used in the passage are listed in below in columns A and B. Find the matching pairs drawing a line from column A to B. Here I have not drawn line, I have just put numbers. Worth, value, pondering, deliberation, escape unhurt, survive, fundamental, most important. Now rewrite these words correctly. The spelling of these words are written incorrect, so you have to write the spelling of these words correctly. This is very easy question. This I have done. Okay, now this question will be your homework. Very easy. I'll be not discussing this question. This will be doing yourself. Very easy. Find the word from the dictionary and do it. This work. Now find out the words from the dictionary, 2 different meanings of each words given below. So okay, so this all the 5 questions will be doing in copy. Okay, this is an important question. Now grammar link, kinds of sentences. You know what is sentence? I have taught you in the language class. So you have to identify whether it is exclamatory, whether assertive, whether interrogative, or whether imperative. For assertive you have to write A, for imperative you have to write I am, for interrogative you have to write in, and for exclamatory you have to write ex. So what should I do in interrogative sentence? So like this, all the questions I have done from A to J, this you'll be doing in your book only. Now to rewrite the sentences according to instructions in bracket, you may make the necessary changes. So this also I have done. Okay, this will be doing in your book only. Now come to page number 18. The last thing, the sentences have some errors. Rewrite correctly with proper punctuation. So these words are written in wrong format. You have to write this in correct format with proper punctuation. See here, how many pens do you have? H capital, and after this is a question, so you have to put question mark. This also has been given. So I'll be sharing all this PDF in your school app, and you will be doing all this. Okay, and after this, open your copy, write today's date, 2nd July 2020, sorry, 2nd June 2020, chapter 1A, dream, dream, dream. First you write the meanings. These meanings have been given in the book also, but then also have written, and you should also write. Okay, all these 9 meanings. Okay, I'll be sharing the PDF of this also. Now next is sentences. There are only 4 words which you have to for which you have to frame the sentences. Abundant, this is the sentence. Our country is abundant in minerals. And don't forget to write the word in the sentence with black pen. Okay, and underline it also. Like abundant, you have to frame sentences with abundant. So here abundant have written with black pen and have also underlined it. Okay, don't forget to do this. Abundant, tenure, implement, and innovative. So these things you'll be doing in your copy. And the other thing, the reference to context, the extra question, these all things I'll be doing in the next class. Okay, so thank you all. We'll be meeting in the next lecture. Thank you.